Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, go to Biometrics and Security, where you will notice Install Unknown Apps. Simply click on it, and here you can simply allow, for example, installation for apps from Chrome. So simply click here, allow from the source, and now you can install some application downloaded through the Chrome. You can also do it from Gmail and any other application, whichever you want to do it. So simply activate it like that, and then you will be able to install application from this app, from this source. So that's basically all. This is how you can activate unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.